Find the area of a sector of circle whose radius is 6 centimeters if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Okay. So what is given? Area of the sector. So sector. Huh? We will do one after the other. First we are starting this. All the 30, 60, 120, everything we will do. Don't worry. Okay. Huh. Not always. Okay. Listen here. Find the area of a sector of the circle. Okay. Whose theta it is given 60 degree. Whose theta it is given 60 degree. Okay. Now, what is an area of a sector? We know that area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. How you will know a sector? It will have the two radius with one arc. It forms a sector. Okay. So theta here, the sector angle, it is given 60 degree. So it is 60 here. 360 into pi, it is 22 by 7 into radius 6 into 6. Okay, so this is equal to, so what you will get? 22 by 7 into 6. 22 by 7, you can take it as 3.14. Okay. 3.14 into 6 is the answer. See, whenever you can divide by 7, take it as 22 by 7. Whenever you cannot divide, take that as 3.14. So, 3 and anywhere decimal, if after the point, take 2 decimals, that is enough for any calculation because you will not have much time there. Okay. For any calculation, root 2, root 3, any number, you take only 2 decimals you take. That is enough. Okay. So 3.14 into 6. How much you will get? 18. Sit now. Whatever I'm telling, just listen. Don't take it. Okay, do the second one. After completing this, everyone find the area of the quadrant of the circle whose circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, next one. This is done. Circumference is what? 2 pi r. What do you mean by circumference? That is equal to 2 pi r. That is the perimeter, correct? So that is equal to 22. Calculate the radius. That is equal to 22 here. Then calculate the radius. Then calculate the area of the quadrant. So quadrant means what? What is the theta value, Kiara? In any quadrant, what will be the theta value? 90 degree. Correct. Theta is 90 degree. Now calculate and tell me. First find radius, find the area, then do that. The minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. So length of the minute hand will be the radius. That is 14 centimeter. Okay. In a clock. So how much will be the time will be there? Right. This. Okay, let it be like this. So we will have the whole angle, total angle. It is 360 degree. How many minutes will be there? 60 minutes. Total angle is 360. So minutes, it is 60. So for 1 minute, how much angle will be? It will cover. See, for 1 minute, how much angle it will cover? If you take. So for 60 minutes, it is 360. No, for 1 minute, how much it will be? 360 by 60. So it is 6-degree angle.
60.
For every 1 minute, it is always 6 degrees. Okay, understood. Now again I repeat, see here, this is common problem what they will give. Total angle here is 360-degree. Okay, and how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So for 1 minute, how much angle it will cover? It has to cover 360 by 60, that is 6 degrees it will cover. 1 minute. See here I've written 1, not for 5 minutes. Okay. So for 5 minutes, how much it will be? It will be 5 into 6. So 30-degree will be the sector. He is asking, find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So for 5 minutes, how much area it will take? 30-degree is the theta. Understood? So anything, if they give, you can just multiply, you will get. Listen here. Whole total angle is 360-degree. It is for 60 minutes. So for 1 minute, how much angle it will move? That is 6-degree. Okay, now I want the angle for 5 minutes. So 5 into 6, 30-degree. Theta will be 30-degree. That's what I'm calculating. No, for 60 minutes, it has to revolve 360-degree. For 1 minute, how much it will move? So that is always same 6-degree. So for 5 minutes, theta is 30-degree. Theta is 30-degree. Okay. So what is the sector area now? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 30 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius 14 into 14. Calculate and tell me how much I will get. Calculate and find the area. So if you remember that 6-degree angle, okay, for 1 minute it will take always 6-degree. So for how many minutes? Multiply, you calculate the theta. Always remember that. Okay, everyone clear? Listen, fourth one. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends an right angle at the center. Radius is how much?
10 centimeters.
Okay.
What is the question?
So this is a chord of a circle. It will make the radius is 10 centimeter. Okay, it subtends a right angle at the center. So this is 90-degree. Now find the minor segment. Find the area of the minor segment. Listen this minor segment, how to calculate. So this is a segment, minor segment. Okay. So minor segment area will be equal to area of the sector minus this triangle. Okay. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector OACB minus area of triangle. Okay. So what is the area of sector OACB? Okay. That is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle is half into base into height. Okay. Sector area, how much you will get? 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius 10 into 10. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into this, I'll take it as 3.14 into 100. Okay. So 25 into 3.14. Okay. Now half into base into height. Listen this. in any right angle triangle, leaving the hypotenuse, other will be, one will be the base, the other will be the height. Okay. So any right angle triangle, it's like this, no? So this one will be the base, other is the height. What is the hypotenuse? So you can leave that for finding the half into base into height. So half into base into height, this portion, it is half into 10 into 10. So this portion, it is 50. So total area will be this minus 50. This is the answer. Okay. So whenever you get right angle triangle, half into base into height. Leaving the hypotenuse, other two will be base and height. That's all. This is 60 degree. Okay. This is 21. And this is the card for the arc. Okay. Now he's asking, what is the area of the segment? Listen. Area of the segment. So any area of a segment will be what? Area of a segment will be equal to area of the sector OABC minus area of the triangle. Okay. Sector, I think you would have calculated. Theta is 60 here by 360 into pi is 22 by 7. R square 21 into 21. 7 and 7 3s are here. So you'll get here 11 into 21. Minus area of the triangle. Listen here, whenever it is 60 degree, okay, whenever the triangle area is 60 degree in this case, it is always an equilateral triangle. Okay. Third one in that. Fifth one, third one. Okay. So whenever it is triangle, be quiet. Now, if the angle is 60 degree, okay. So it is always an equilateral triangle, okay. And radius will be the side, that is 21. So root 3 by 4 into a square. So here root 3 by 4 into, it is 21 into 21. Root 3 is 1.73. Calculate and do. That's all. Sixth one. Okay. A chord of a circle. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters. There is a chord of a circle. Radius, it is given 15 centimeter. Okay. It makes an angle of 60 degree. At the center, find the area of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Okay. So what is a minor segment? ACB. This is a minor segment. So first we will calculate that. Area of minor segment. That is equal to area of circle minus area of the triangle. Okay. Sorry, area of segment, no? Area of sector. Wait. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Okay. Now, he is asking area of the minor segment here, and it makes an angle of 60 degree. Okay, at the center. Now, what is area of the sector? Area of sector, it is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So, theta is what? 60 by 360 into pi, we will take it as 3.14 into 15 into 15. So this is 3.14. 15 into 15, 225 by 6. Okay. Now area of the triangle. Area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. So here root 3 by 4 into 15 into 15. That is 225 by 4 into root. Okay. So what will be the area of minor segment? Here 3.14 into 225 by 6 minus 225 into root 3 by 4. Or 225, if I take common, what you will get 3.14 by 6 minus root 3 by 4. Root 3 is 1.73 by 4. This almost 1.9 something you should get, I think. 1 by 2, no? 1.4 something you should get here. Minus 3 by 4, if this will be that. That's it. Okay. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Aditya, listen here. So this angle they have given 120 degree. Okay. And the radius, it is 12 centimeter. Now find the area of the corresponding segment. So this segment area we have to calculate. Okay. So first, this if I mark it as C, area of the segment ACB is equal to area of sector OABC minus area of triangle. Okay, triangle OAB. So area of sector OABC of CB. What is that? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is what? 120 by 360, 3.14 into 12 into 12. So this is 3.14 into 12 into 4. Okay. Now area of the triangle. Okay. It is half into base into height. Okay. Now this triangle, see here, listen this. Triangle OAB. Okay. So we will draw one perpendicular line like this. We will draw a perpendicular line. Okay. So we'll mark this as a D point. When you draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord, it will divide the chord into two equal parts. So AD, I will take it as X. BD also X. Okay. And this will be 90 degree. And this will be 90 degree. When I am drawing a perpendicular, now this angle will become 60 degree. Okay. Again, I repeat, listen here. In this triangle, when I am drawing a perpendicular, it will divide the chord into two equal parts. So I'll take the same value X and X. So AB value will be equal to 2X. Okay. And when it is a perpendicular, so this is 90 degree and it will divide this angle 120 into 60 degree. 120 will be divided into 60 degree angle. And now what I have to do, I have to calculate here I will use half into base into height only. So here base is equal to AB value and height is OD value. So you have to calculate the both AB and OD. Okay, write down this much, we'll continue. Base and height, right, finish it. So here I don't know the base and height. Both I have to calculate using the trigonometric ratios. Cos theta and sin theta we'll be able to calculate. AD I have taken as x by OA. OA is 12. Okay. Cross multiply 12 into root 3 is 2x, or x is 12 root 3 by 2. So x is equal to 6 root 3 I got. I want, see in this triangle, what is the area I will get? Half into base is AB into height OD. What is AB equal to? 2 times AD. That's right. Okay. So AD is this. So what is AB now? 2 into 6 into root 3, or AB is 12 root 3. Okay. And next OD. I have to calculate. Now cos 60 degree will be equal to, adjacent side is what? OD, divided by this hypotenuse, that is 12. Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So that is equal to OD by 12. Okay, cross multiply. 12 is equal to 2 OD, or OD is equal to 6. Okay. Now put that values in the triangle. That is a half into 12 root 3 into 6. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.